Everyone loves the classic flavor of a freshly baked loaf of sourdough Pullman sandwich bread. A perfectly golden loaf with a tender crust that surprises your palate and a crumb so light and airy it practically melts in your mouth. To start, make sure you have an active sourdough starter. Add the milk, eggs, and sugar in a large mixing bowl of a stand mixer. Add the flour and salt, followed by the starter. Stir well. Cover the bowl and leave to rest for 60 minutes. Next, knead the dough with a dough hook attachment on medium speed for 4 to 6 minutes. Then, add the soft room temperature butter and knead for another 4 to 6 minutes or until smooth and elastic. Transfer the dough to an oiled bowl and cover it with plastic wrap or a kitchen towel. Leave the dough to rise for 6 to 8 hours. When double in size, punch down and transfer to a clean work surface. Roll the dough into a cylinder and divide the dough into 4 portions. Roll each portion into a tight roll. Flatten the dough on an unfloured surface. Then, roll towards you into a sausage shape. Alternatively, you can roll the dough into one large log to make a classic sandwich bread shape. Place the pieces into a buttered 9-inch Pullman sandwich loaf pan seam side down. Cover and leave in a warm place proof until almost double in size. Once your dough is ready and the oven is hot, slide the lid onto your Pullman pan and bake for 35 to 40 minutes. Remove the bread from the pan and let it cool on a wire rack for at least an hour. Patience will reward you with better texture and decent slices. The full recipe with serving suggestions is on my blog vinaasmanov.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe.